now. It's like almost 8:30, I think. But holy cow, what a day, boys! Wanted to give you an update on my progress here. So, drywalling by myself, finishing the job by myself. So it just sucks so bad. Like honestly, God, like I'm, I'm gonna go back to I don't know. I want to build houses, but I'm not gonna do that till next year. So over the winter and spring, I'm gonna do a lot of renos at my house with steel stud, and of course I'll take on like piecework framing. I'm not gonna do any more fucking drywall for a while. I'm gonna need a break from that. The 5/8 in here just really like I was so bagged this morning. If you guys remember where we left off, I got my tops done yesterday, double layer 5/8. Those are what 83-inch tops, so they're like 8-foot tops, but yeah, I just, man, I'm tired, just, it really does kind of suck working by yourself, guys. But you can see at the end here, I got the drywall complete where the pipes are. It's looking nice and fine. So, you can see I'm tight around my cuts and all that. But yeah, so I got that part done. I should have had all the tape on today. I might be like a day. I might have to stay an extra day though, which sucks. I want to get back to Edmonton, but basically, like I was saying, this tin basher showed up yesterday, dumped all his material all over the place. Like it was a mess, guys. Like all the other trades had left a pile of garbage here. This guy had come and dropped all his material here, and he had his table set up here, and all this more material here, material there. I was like, dude, like I need access to every wall. Okay, I got a drywall, and then I got a tape, and it was just a mess. So anyways, what did I do? So I came back here to the back, and I drywalled like where the walk-in cooler goes back here. Right, and then I just put all this material there. I did a massive cleanup, and I put all the garbage on the other side, right? But yeah, you can see I built this is where the water tank goes, up there. Man, these guys, like this is, like, I don't know why we're still doing it in 3 5/8, okay? These plumbing walls should be 6 inches. I don't understand it at all. It's just like, it's so cheap, right? And then these plumbers, man, I really have a bone to pick with these guys, man. Like they screw me up so bad. They undo my stud, so that this pipe here, right? Like they undo my stud and push it over here. Now I just push their pipe back. Like there's a stack here, right? But hey, thanks for the like, hitting the like for me, guys. I appreciate that. I just moved it over and screwed it in. Like, guys, there's a reason why my studs are on 16-inch centers, right? Like, we need the bevels to lem. These plumbers are the worst. Like, they're just like, holy shit. So, yeah, anyway, so I messed with all this, and I installed all the backing, so all the backing's in there. This gas line, I don't know, they had braces in here. I took the braces off to put my sheets on. This wall wasn't too bad, but the gas line, usually isn't there yet. But anyways, there's just a lot of boxes in this wall. But I did a lot. I got quite a bit done today. I got all of the 1/2 inch done. I was here pretty late last night, doing like the backing, and I did some drywall and cleanup and stuff. But yeah, it was. Anyways, this was my second day. Right? Yeah, my second day. Yeah, my first day here is just such a long drive. I got all my tops cut, did some tops. So I worked for about 3-4 hours my first day. Then I did a 10-hour yesterday, another 10 today. So actually, I'm probably going on like 11 hours right now, but that's okay. Not like the end. But you can see here, like you got your buck piece and your leg for your door, okay? And then cut. You always do it in 3 pieces, your doorways, if you know. I got all the installation done as well. The bathroom is completely insulated. So all I have left for drywall now, and it's going to be neat. I'm going to film this, and I'm going to show you guys how I drywall lids by myself using the task poles, okay? Hey, Alex, what's up, man? Yeah, shout out New York City, buddy. Yeah. I love it, dude. Right on, dude. Hey, right on, man. EBK, right on, dudes. Appreciate that, man. So this was a whole thing. Like I framed this already once, okay? And so I ended up taking a half of it out so the tin basher can get up yesterday and do all this. Well, he came and he put all his material in my way and put this stack in, and then he left. He went back to Edmonton. So screwed up, right? But yeah, you can kind of see, I know for a fact there's another run that's supposed to come down and stick out, and there's a vent here. There's also 9 lights in here. There's 2 TVs here, and there's no backing, there's no nothing. There's no wires for the lights or the TVs. There's no backing for the TVs. This duct is actually supposed to come out over here, but he put it out right at my corner, guys, right at the freaking corner. So that's fine. I'm gonna get some flex tape in the morning so I can do those corners, okay, with the flex tape. And then you can see up there, there's a duct sticking out of the bulkhead. Okay, you see that? It's literally a duct that's not capped or anything. It's sticking out of the bulkhead. And they're like, yeah, go ahead, board it. I'm like, okay. I told him, I was like, I don't think you want me to board it, but he says board it, so I boarded it. But anyway, so I had to build this and stuff and messing around, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, at the end of the day, it's done. So I'm happy. Well, the front is. This bottom is easy. The fire stop guys have to get up there, but if this is open, they can just put a ladder straight up here, so I don't have to leave like a thing. I can actually finish the whole job now, which is great. So there's no question, no doubt for me coming back. So first thing in the morning, I have maybe an hour to 2 hours of drywall. I'm going to do this lid and finish here, do up there. This has to be drywalled all the way up. And then after that, it's all taping. So I'm pretty happy about that. It's all, at least it's all only taping after this. But yeah, I got to go and get some flex bead for those corners. But yeah, it's looking good. I mean, hell, what are you going to do? What else are you going to do, right? And I also built this whole demising wall, right? Hey, Miller, man, what's up? Hey, you're very welcome, man. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the likes, guys. That's awesome, man. Thank you for that. But yeah, I just been plucking away here. I basically did this whole job by myself, right? Like my 16-year-old son, he was here helping me. He's my helper. But, you know, he's super green and all that. But, you know, but yeah, this is something like just so you guys have an idea, right? This is the 3rd job now I've done on my own. It's just, yeah, I don't want to do full jobs anymore because like I don't want to do them by myself. And I can't seem to keep partners, man. They all say the same thing. Too much bullshit, not enough money. Too much bullshit, not enough money. You know, and I know that, but like there's still, I don't know how you can expect, like they go and take jobs that are like way less money. It's just, I don't understand. There might be more steady and maybe they like to work just the 8 hours a day. I don't know, but it's just, yeah, it sucks. Losing Marat really, really hurt, man. Like he was a good partner. I thought he was into it, man. But it is what it is. Like I was about to retire before I met him, so I had these last couple of jobs, and I'm like, well, I promise I didn't want this guy to, I didn't want to let this guy that I'm working for down either. So I'm like, you know what? I'll finish it. This is my last job though that I'm taking full job for a while. Unfortunately, it's too bad because I like having jobs to show you guys what I'm doing and stuff, but. Yeah, there's gonna be lots of stuff. Don't worry, I have lots of ideas. You guys, like at my own house, I own my house. I'm gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff with steel stud in there. But yeah, you can kind of see there's the double air 5/8, all complete, looking gorgeous. Everything's screwed off. When I tied in my end stud on the wall, it landed my 1/2 inch here, so I didn't board in here at all. I don't have to do this. Obviously, this is not my unit, and I never priced anything in here, so just this demising wall. I have to tape it, so I have my one lift in here, which is good. At least the chain basher left a lift, but yeah. So I'm gonna use my banjo and just go to town with that and get all the tape on. So I have to get all the tape and corner bead on tomorrow, no doubt. So that gives me. And maybe if I can get some stuff coated even, like, you know, like I got some of this stuff here, if I can get this coated, I'll start putting tape on in here, I think, like on this wall at least, because then at least if this part dries, I can coat this whole wall. That's a good thing, you know. But yeah, so that leaves me with Sunday to like coat, and then Monday. I want to leave Monday, but I don't know, man. It's kind of I'm cutting it close. Like I don't want to work all day Monday and then have to drive the 5 hours back, you know, because like last time I did that, I almost like fell asleep driving, and like literally, I woke up on, I don't know how, I was like going right off the road. It was so freaky, man. And I did that a few times on the way back. It was really scary. So I don't want to do that this time. I might just check in with the hotel on my way back and say if I can stay an extra night, but it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. So here we are. Another day, another 50 cents, you know. But yeah, all the kitchen's done. It's all FRP back here, so I don't have to tape anything. I only have to tape like the bathroom and out here. So, and then the other side of the demising wall. Oh, I got to do the front wall. So like these window returns aren't done. So I got the tearaway and corner bead, right? I got tearaway for in here and corner bead for the outside, of course, right? So that also includes that one. I got to install the door, you know, if I have time. I don't give a shit if I don't get that installed. I never priced it, so it's an extra. They can do it. I don't give a shit. If I have time, I'll do it. I got the wood in here for them already. The opening, I verified. It's a shorter door for some reason, so I put just another header in there with some wood, whatever. Got wood on both sides. It's done. But yeah, you can see all the backing. I do all the backing and stuff as well. So yeah, it's quite a lot of work when you really think about it, you know. So it's too much for one guy. It's too much for the one guy. But you know, it is what it is. But yeah, dude. So I hope everyone's doing good. You guys have any questions, man? Please ask. I'd love to share. Pre-fill tape and Yeah, dude. Yeah, right on. Ed, that's awesome, man. The 8-bit miner, nice. Yeah, I do have some. I think, what do I have? It's not 15 set. I think it's a 25, which is weird. Usually, I'm used to like. Here, let me go see. It's a quick set. Let me see here. I don't have any confill with me, and I'm not gonna go buy some because I got 2 bags at home. But this will do. Oh, it's a 20. So here, let me just turn it around. Alex, yeah, right, yeah. I got this. It's a 20. What it means is the number means how long it takes to dry, right? So I'm gonna mix that in with my I'll mix that in with my yellow. Okay, so it dries quick, and then I actually have some already mixed in my finish coat. I just don't want to put too much because it's a little harder to sand. You know, I like it when I come in and all I have to do for sanding is just like one quick wipe with my sand. You know, with my pole sander or whatever. And that's it. I have a corner sander and a pole sander, and I try to keep my taping really neat. So I'm literally just giving it a quick rub at the end of the day. Light check, done, right? But yeah, like up there, definitely have to pre-fill around the duct, right? It's just a big gap. And then I'm going to get the no coat flex bead, which of course you have to coat it, but it's actually really easy. You mud it on, and then one hit with a coat, it's done. It's really good stuff. So yeah, I'll show you that as well. And then yeah, I do have some tricks to do lids by yourself. Like I was saying, I use the task poles here to help me out. See the task poles? So what I do is I'll put one at the end here, okay, on a little bit of an angle, flip down. So I put my sheet in there, and then when I'm over here, I have another pole. I can squeak it up, and then I got my hand on this side, and then start screwing it off. So yeah, it's a little crazy, but you'll see how it goes when I tape it, because I haven't done it in a while, but. Yeah, and this is also 10 feet long by 8 feet. So, you know, I'm gonna have 2 joints. You can't put a bevel in this outside corner, so I'm gonna need to put 2 joints in here anyway. So I'll do like an 8 or 4 foot down the middle, and then cut in the middle or the ends or something. I'll figure it out. But yeah, you guys will see that. But yeah, dude. So. Lots of fun stuff. You can see where I go 12 feet with the steel. The ceilings are 10'6" in here. It's T-bar. I cut a foot off my sheets, so it's at 11. You don't need it to be all the way up to 12 feet. Like if you just leave them without doing that, like you can see that all the braces are gonna hit and wires and other stuff's gonna hit. It's just clean, and then you also always have access to get in right at the end. So, but yeah, simple as that, right? Thanks, bros. I appreciate you guys, man. I appreciate that, Alex. Right on, brother. Yeah, and then all back here is FRP. Everything, and this is the walk-in cooler here. But yeah, everything back here gets FRP. I don't have to tape anything back here, which is nice. Yeah, just awesome. What a dick. I couldn't believe it. I need that kind of work here in NYC. Great job, bro. Thanks, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, I'm surprised. There should be tons of work there, no? For this in New York, and yeah, you could get some really awesome big jobs there, I bet. But I bet you it's all union there, like mostly union, right? But yeah, this Tim Basher was such a dick. He just came, got in my way, messed me up, and left. Right? So oh man, and they're just so dirty. I'm so sick of cleaning up after them. Like, my jobs are nice. Like, this is the end of the day. I haven't touched it, but I clean as I go. I mean, I'm tidy, right? I like, especially when it comes to, when I get to the taping stage, I don't like dirt in the floor even, because I don't like it getting in the mud, you know? Like, I like it clean, you know? So, yeah, it is what it is. And, of course, the owners come by. They love it, right? But, yeah, it's interesting, though. Like I was saying, this bulkhead here, they're going to regret me telling me to board it, because because I'm going to tape it too. It's going to get corner bead. Everything's going to be taped. Not going to be happy when they find out that there's missing a whole bunch of stuff. And I told them that they're missing a whole bunch of stuff. And they just like, yeah, board it. Okay, sure. And I told them, I'm not coming back here. Okay, so no matter what, I am not coming back here. So, you know what I mean? Hey, I appreciate that, man. Dilver Vlogs, right on. Cheers, guys. Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate the likes. It's awesome, man. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll go live again tomorrow. I like doing these daily updates and just kind of showing you guys the progress. I'm out of Edmonton, Alberta. So right now I'm in Grand Prairie, Alberta, which is about 5 hours north of Edmonton. But I work all over Alberta. We were starting to take some jobs in BC, but I'm not going there now, not without a partner and stuff like that. But yeah, it is what it is. Oh, I should tag the pin to the live stream here just so you guys can see my shirt. Check out Kronies.store, guys. I got this is my clothing line for construction Kronies. The hat and my shirts are all on www.kronies.store. Check them out. I'm gonna have a live stream once I get back and everything's set up, and we're gonna have some discount codes and stuff like that. But yeah, check out the gear on Kronies.store, guys. I'm gonna go have a beer and crash, man. I'm gonna have some like itchy band noodles at the hotel and some beer, and I'm gonna go to bed. Right on, dudes. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for coming, boys. Again, thank you for hitting the like button. Any questions at all, but just please leave them down below in the comments, and I'll check later on. But guys, thanks for coming, boys. Be safe, and yeah, get a good night's sleep. Work hard tomorrow. Make some money. Okay, talk soon, guys. Cheers.